Okay, kids, let's learn the sound of letter O. O is for onion. Onion is a vegetable. O is for octopus. It is a sea animal. O is for ostrich. It is a world's largest bird. O is for opera. It tells story by singing. O is for oil. It is used in cooking. O is for owl. An owl is a bird that sees in the dark. O is for orange. It is a sweet and juicy fruit. O is for orangutan. It is a big orange ape that lives in trees. O is for orangutan. It is a big orange ape that lives in trees. O is for oven. It is used to bake or cook food. So kids, we have learnt the sound of O. Bye-bye.